Macquarie Warrants, here to share with you the market action we saw in the month and what warrant investors can look out for in the next 2 weeks. After being battered by US-China tensions and a weak economy in 2020, Hong Kong stocks saw a sharp turnaround to start 2021 as it took a front seat in the global rally. With the influx of investments from mainland investors, the Hang Seng Index futures gained 8% month to date as of 22nd January, outperforming global indices this month. The surge sent the HSI to above the 30,000 resistance level last seen almost 2 years ago. In the 3 weeks the HSI futures gained 8%, the HSI call warrant XLDW soared 112%, while the put warrant KWBW fell 51%. So, what are warrants? Call warrants move in line with the underlying they follow, meaning if the underlying stock or index went up, so will the call warrants. Put warrants move inversely from the underlying and will increase in price when the underlying stock or index falls. Locally, iFAST continues to impress as it notches another record high in assets under administration at 14 billion. See how this translates into the firm's performance as iFAST is expected to release its earnings report on 19 February. iFAST has been Singapore's standout performer as its stock price quadrupled in just the past year. Month to date, the share spiked another 71% to trade above the $5 mark. In the same period, iFAST call warrant KTRW jumped from 12.7 cents to 33.5 cents, rising 164% from the stock's 71% gain. So how do you know how much more a warrant will move given a move in the underlying price in the short term? For that, investors can refer to the effective gearing level as an indication. Say if a warrant had effective gearing of 10 times, it means the warrant will move around 10% for every 1% move in underlying share or index it tracks. The gearing effect is one of the reasons that make warrants popular, but notes that gearing can work both ways, meaning warrants will also move in a bigger magnitude or percentage than the percentage move in the underlying should you get your view wrong. Another outperformer would include Wilmar, whose acquisition of eHigh carry arowana sets it in place to beat market expectations for its fourth quarter earnings report. With increased exposure to the high-margin grocery food segment, Wilmar should benefit from strong food demand and see continuous profitability in its earnings report scheduled for 21st February. From Wilmar's 17% advance this month, the Wilmar call LGW rose 53% from 9.5 cents to 14.5 cents. So how do people trade structured warrants? Listed on the SGX, structured warrants can be traded via brokerage account just like how you trade shares. Meanwhile, warrant issuers at Macquarie provide continuous warrant buy and sell prices to ensure that warrant investors can easily enter and exit from warrant positions. So contact your broker to start trading warrants today. For further details on trading warrants and to find out if you're qualified to trade warrants, click on the link in the description or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Lastly, don't miss out on next video and exciting warrant news by scanning on the QR codes and subscribe to our channels on YouTube, Telegram and Facebook.